living area, and as you can see, your living area is again as we enter our kitchen, master bedroom, and this is just much more spacious. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. I am Ikhlas and today we will be doing the actual sample flat tour of Casa Grande Hola Chennai by Casa Grande Builder Private Limited. Now the project is located in Sholinganallur, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. But before starting, let me show you the surroundings of the project. As you can see, I am standing at the exact location of the project, and this behind me is your marketing office. And that is your land parcel. Now let me quickly tell you what exactly is Housey. You see, Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you a bottom rate guarantee. Unlike any other current listing platform where if you do inquiry, your number is shared with a lot of brokers creating chaos. But with Housey, it is directly done by the developer. First is the project overview. Casa Grande Hola Chennai project is spread across an expansive 30 acres of land parcel featuring in total 13 towers and blocks rising like basement plus ground plus 9 floors with a total of about 1,818 premium homes, including 2, 3 and 4 BHK apartments as well as 4 BHK floor villas and villas. Next is the amenities. The project offers a blend of premium lifestyle and community amenities such as a 26,000 square feet acre dual world-class clubhouse, multiple swimming pools, fully equipped gymnasium, jogging tracks, indoor, outdoor sports courts, children's play zone areas, and many more. So the next one is the location. As you can see, I'm standing at the exact location of the project, which is located in Sholinganallur, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. And this side of the road connects you to the Sholinganallur's main road. Now the nearby connectivity, the old Mahabalipuram road is only 5 minutes from here approximately, and the Sholinganallur junction is also only 8 minutes from here approximately. The Perambakam road access is also only 10 minutes drive from here approximately. So everyone, now we will be doing the actual sample flat tour for Casa Grande Hola Chennai for 3 BHK, 3 toilets, and the configuration for that is 1,771 square feet. Let's get started. As you can see, first we'll have a huge 8 feet door which comes with proper lock system. So you can place your fingerprint there, or if you want, you can add extra lock system to it. Coming forward, this is going to be your living area, and as you can see, your living area is again very extremely spacious and it extends up all the way to this. So if you want, you can place your shoe rack on this side, or if you want, you can add an extra drawer here as well because you have your electric units given on this side. Coming to your other side of the living area, if you want, you can place your TV on this side, or if you want, you can design it however you like. And the wall system that has been done is proper black wall panel. If you want, you can design it that way or change it as per your wish. Now, if you notice, your living area has been given another huge spacious place. You can turn that into your living cum dining area. Now your dining area also can be used very spaciously, and if you want, you can extend it all the way from here till there, and you also have still enough space to add extra storage here. So if you want, you can add your extra living dining area units on this side, or design this unit area of your living cum dining area as per your wish. Now, coming to the other side, you will notice that you have an open attached balcony system over here. So your balcony again is extremely spacious all the way from this end to your other end, and your balcony also gets you direct view access to your entire locality, giving you enough amount of sunlight and ventilation as you can see. And if you want, you can place extra couches here, turn this into your cozy corner, or add your flower pot plants. Now, as we move forward, we will have on the other side your kitchen. Now, as you can see, if you want, this can turn into an extremely very nice unique plan, that is your open kitchen space. So you can have your dining exactly there and your kitchen on this side. As we enter our kitchen, the kitchen extends all the way from there up to here, and you can place your storage units on each side of your kitchen or design it however you like. You will have your proper chimney which will come with exhaust system, or if you want, you can design it however you like. Your fridge can be placed on this corner of your kitchen, and you can also add 3 oven systems. There is enough space for that, and if you want, the height ceiling has been given in a perfect way for you to add extra storage units on top of your ceiling area as well. Now, your kitchen also comes with proper balcony attached system which will come with proper railings for your safety reasons. This also gives you direct access to your outside locality. And another space unit can be designed in your kitchen for your washing machine, or you can add your extra kitchen appliances on this side with proper electric units placed on each side of your kitchen. The kitchen again has been done with proper marble floorings, and if you want, you can give your kitchen a wooden touch as well. Now we will be entering into our first bedroom. So as you can see, your first bedroom again is extremely spacious and it comes with a very open space. So you can add your extra dressing system here, or if you want, you can turn this entire area into your walk-in closet as well. Now, that side of your room, you will have your window system given here. So your window system again comes with proper railings given over here. So this can be used for safety reasons for your kids or for your guests as well. You will also have a direct access viewpoint to your backyard, which will give you proper amount of sunlight and ventilation. If you choose to, you can open the balcony all the way from there to here. You can add your TV on the other corner of the room because each side of your room has been given proper electric units. Now, your first bedroom also comes with an attached washroom. So this is going to be your attached washroom, comes with a proper mirror that has lighting system included to it. You will have your ventilation system, open shower system, a separate fixed glass partition given to you with proper flooring system done. Now, before we move into our second bedroom, you will have a common area over here for washing. So this can be used for your guest, or this can be designed however you wish to. And then right beside that, you will have a common open washroom. This again comes with your fixed glass partition. You will have your exhaust fan for your ventilation, and again glazed ceramic wall tiles. You have your wash basin placed here. You can even add an extra vanity storage box for your washroom stuff, and you have your mirror placed here for your lightings. Now, this is going to be your second bedroom. As you can see, your second bedroom again is a little more spacious. You can have your wardrobe system there. You can design it however you like. You can give a little loft frame and shutter like design to your wardrobe. You can place your extra storage system on each corner of your room as well. Design it however you like. And then on the other side of the room, you will have your TV. If you want, you can add that, or you can turn that into your study table as well. Now, your room also has an attached window cum balcony system which gives you a very open space view of your area, which also has proper ventilation and sunlight source coming through. Now, before we move into our master bedroom, let me quickly tell you what Housey exactly does for you. You see, as soon as you go to Housey's website, you will notice that we give you all the information about the project, like location, the amenities, and actual location tours of the project. Not just that, but you will also find the pros and cons of the project. You will find EMI, down payment options, and exclusive pricing details of the project. On the website, we also give you 360 virtual tour of the project. And if you want to come for a site visit, schedule a site visit, you can either click on the link which will be mentioned in the description below. It's completely free, or you can go to www.housey.com for further information. Now, this is going to be your master bedroom, and this is just much more spacious compared to all of your other rooms. It is designed in such a way that each area of the room can be used for adding extra storage units. So if you want, you can add an extra small corner here for your dressing or design it however you like. And all the way through here, you will have your wardrobe system. Now, each corner of the room can be used for adding more bedroom storage units. And then on that side of your room, you will also have your balcony system, which is also again with proper railings given. Proper AC units have also been placed, electric units given to that. Now, your attached washroom also comes here with your master bedroom. So this also again has proper ceramic flooring done, and you have your wash basin on the other side. You have your mirror which will have proper lighting system, your open partition shower system. You have your exhaust fan on the other side of the washroom. So everyone, this was the actual sample flat tour for Casa Grande Hola Chennai for 3 BHK and 3 toilets. Hope you liked the video. For more such amazing walkthroughs, do not forget to subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.